Hi guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok application. Today we will talk how to delete TikTok video without losing likes. So first and foremost, let's go to the TikTok app, and at the very beginning I need to unfortunately say that we don't have this special option to remove the selected video and save the number of our likes, but we have a cool solution for you. Let's manage the privacy settings of the selected video to hide it from others but save the number of your likes. So how to do this? Let's repeat our settings. So I will choose one of our created TikTok after tapping on it one time. Later, to get access to the privacy settings for this TikTok, let's tap on the three dots icon at the right side of the screen. And I need to swipe the appearance menu to the left side to choose and to find the privacy settings option. Later, let's pick on the first setting. And right now we have chosen the everyone option, but we need to tap on the last dot opposite the only me inscription. Right now our TikTok will be hidden from others, but we will have our saved numbers of of likes. So we will have no changes on the profile page, but this video will be added to the locked section. So to save these settings, let's tap on the arrow at the left side of our appearance bar, and let's choose the cross arrow. And right now, yes, as you can see, our TikTok disappeared. So how to check it, how to get access to the locked section, I need to tap on the second icon at the top bar of the screen. And right now we have the newly added TikTok. So unfortunately on this account I don't have any likes, but I'm sure that you won't have any changes here, and you will have the saved number of your likes. So guys, right now I hope that you know everything about this topic, and don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on TikTok and also on YouTube. Bye bye!